Today, the governor held his monthly news conference, sharing several updates in our fight against COVID-19. ABC4's Haley Hendricks was there. She joins us now live from the Capitol with more on what he is saying this evening. Haley.
Emily, the coronavirus continues to impact thousands of Utahns daily, and the governor says the state is still making progress in its recovery. Governor Spencer Cox says data shows the Delta's surge of coronavirus cases hit a peak and is now beginning to level off. Testing is still in demand, and the governor says the state recently implemented greater capacity at testing sites to decrease extensive wait times.
The last week, the longest wait time reported at these locations was 20 minutes. So and most were waiting less than 5 minutes.
Beginning Monday, the state will offer a COVID-19 testing lane designated for travelers at the Utah Department of Health. Governor Cox says this is part of a test-to-travel pilot program for Utahns visiting countries that require one of 3 different coronavirus tests from a recognized site.
We've heard of people who have had to go, who said that they could only find a testing site or a testing location. They've had to go to Las Vegas to get tested and then come back and get on an airplane. And so what we're trying to do is make it as easy as possible for people to travel, to have it all in one location.
A nationwide demand for monoclonal antibodies is causing a shortage in supply. The governor says every state only gets so much, and not everyone who tests positive for COVID-19 is guaranteed an antibody transfusion.
Unfortunately, when we have a limited resource, we have to do the best we can mathematically to prevent hospitalizations, which is what we're trying to do. And so it's only those that are most likely to be hospitalized. But it's not just for the unvaccinated, it is for the vaccinated as well.
And the governor says a cash incentive is being put out there for Utah's public employees and their families. As he says, vaccination for all Utahns is the most effective way to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Well, the needle continues to move here in Utah. Governor Cox saying 73% of eligible Utahns have received at least 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
All right, thank you, Haley. Well, another hospital feeling strained with the current surge of